Hey, welcome everyone. Good morning, guys. Welcome, chat. Good day, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you, guys. Welcome, chat. Let's just go ahead, as usually. Hope you're having a great time, but let's just go ahead and share this video with our community members pretty much everywhere. We are sharing today $125,000. $125,000 in giveaways. Let's go, guys. Morning, guys. Welcome, chat. Welcome, Enzo. Hope you're having a beautiful time out there. A beautiful time out there. On the markets that were continuously pumping, guys, this is something really weird about the current situation. Really weird about it. We've got $157,000 on the 7 copy traded accounts. And I'm looking forward to finding a solution, but I've been thinking about it today, the way I'm going to trade this. Because at a time I'm going to get here to this point, I do want to increase my chances. Welcome, guys. Welcome, Oliver, Noel. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Let's bring up the numbers. Let's bring up the numbers. Now, I'd like to increase my chances of reaching payouts. So I have 7 accounts. Up to this point, I've been trading all the 7 in a copy trading formula. It's the leader plus 6. So at this point, I'm thinking about changing this. Abdel, the SimPro has been paused. And it's supposed to come back today. So SimPro, I've been told it's going to come back today. Good morning. They're going to be back today. That's what I've been told by my manager at 55%. I can give you 55%, the highest possible discount. But you just have to wait a little bit. So take it easy, guys. It's going to be back. Good morning. Now, welcome, Jenkins. We've got the 7 accounts. Getting back to the discussion. And I'd like to increase my chances. Which means it is on the checkout page already. Let me verify that. It wasn't here. Let me refresh the page. Probably now they're adapting and adopting and updating their website. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. The SimPro account appears right there. Look at that one. Beautiful. So, it's very likely it works, right? Good morning, guys. Good morning. If we go to the they give you 50%. I give you 55. I give this to you at 292. It's supposed to work. Let me change the footer. Let me change the footer with the proper promotion. Not actually last day. For the 55. It's actually... No, it's just 5 accounts right now. The 7 accounts was only part of the launch period. Now it is 5 accounts. It's no more 7. No more 7. But 5 accounts. And the equity stability score is 20%. It's no longer 30. That was also for the promotional period. So how's it going, guys? How's your day? Changing my banners back and forth, trying to find a one with the proper details on it. It's not actually the last day. It's not good news. Definitely not. What happened, guys? Did you long or did you short? We had a strong movement from the daily VWAP. 220s up to 390s. Very strong movement. We're retouching that right now. It's interesting. So I've created a plan for my accounts here. And I'm going to organize them a little bit different. I'm going to organize my 7 accounts a little bit different, guys. 20% equity stability score, not 30 anymore. That was only for the promotional time. Great day at the beach. There you go. That's the way to start the day. That's the way to push things around. Yeah, we've got the giveaway coming out soon. 20% in 5 accounts maximum. Everything else is the same. The 20% is the way it has been told it's going to be. The 30% mark was only for the launch time. 5 accounts instead of 7, correct? Setting up Rise. Well, it's simple, Nick Patel. I can respond you to all those things. So here's the way I'm going to do, guys. Here's the way I'm going to create right now my 7 accounts. I'm going to organize them like this. Let's say these are all my 7 accounts. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to create basically 3 different groups. 3 accounts copy traded in one group, 3 accounts in the next one, and only one traded alone. This way, I'm actually increasing my chances with 200% to reach payout. Because instead of trading all the 7 in a single shot, I have 2 extra more groups to be trading. Indeed, I decrease my chances to achieve a complete payout, a maximum payout. That's right. But I'd like to sort of a way increase the chance for the payouts. Instead of hunting the max payout as main priority, I like to have my main priority first, achieving the payout. Because payouts are huge, right? It's $3,500, you get 90%, $3,150. So for 7 accounts, if we do the math, 7 times 292, I paid $2,044. $2,044. With this one account here that's going to be traded alone, I'm going to get more than $2,044. I'm going to get $3,150. So I'm going to get more with $1,000 than what it costs me. The other 6 accounts will go for the profitable side, but I'd like to use one account out of this for the purpose to recover and even be in profit with 50% the costs I had for the 7 accounts. Right? So this is the way I'm going to trade them in 3 different groups. The first 3 will be copy traded, and then the next 3, and then the last one, which is traded alone. Let me tell you something very interesting. This is increasing my chances to reach a payout, like I said, with 200% theoretically. So it kind of puts me in advantage because I only need slightly above $2,000 on all the 7 accounts. So I only need 2 days of $1,000 and I'm basically reaching payout. Therefore, I'd like to increase my chance. This is the main priority. 3 accounts, then another 3, and then the last one alone. This is the way I'm going to proceed. I do have the chance to trade all the 7 and have a total risk accepted, but there is no reason at this point I should continue by working with the maximum risk available when I can decrease this risk. So this is the way I'm thinking, and this is the way I'm teaching you guys. Therefore, I'm going to go to my settings, copy trading, and I'm going to clear the settings we have. So then I'm going to create 1, 2, and 3. The first 3 accounts will be copy traded, right? So it's going to be the leader plus 2. And then I'm going to select the next ones, and it's going to be like that, right? So this is the way I'm thinking about it, and this is the way I'm going to act, guys. Now keep in mind, it's not the last day for 55% for the 150K. It looks like they just added the accounts. It's basically today, the first day the promotion resumes, right? And it's not 325 with my code, it's 292. Maximum 5 accounts. Beautiful. So this is where we are with the price section. An interesting approach here. We have actually a downtrending resistance line that I think we should attack here. There is a good reaction so far on the volume weighted average price of the day.
Order filled. Order filled.
Grabbing my long entry. Only need about 9 points.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. I don't need this kind of rejections here. I certainly need the markets to staircase. Certainly need the markets to staircase. I'm out there.
Order filled.
That was a pretty strong and unexpected sell-off here appearing on the 5-minute. Strong for my price representation. I don't like that. And I had to accept the loss, 1,200 basically on 3 accounts. Gotta take it easy. The maximum I could lose basically is about 1,600. Otherwise, I pretty much mess up my equity stability score and I have to produce more than the actual target I had. What a silly, silly movement down from there without sweeping anything above, which is something I've been searching for to take some of the liquidity higher. That was a silly move. Didn't work. And I had to be out. We do have support and strength appearing around the 60s. So I'm going to keep that in mind. Well, for example, have a look into, the account that I haven't traded today. And look at the maximum loss limit I have on intraday. $6,000. $6,000 maximum loss limit on an account that I already traded for how many days? For 9 days. Thanos. Daily drawdown for 9 days of trading. My max loss limit is still $6,000, just as at the beginning. It's just like the same. $6,000 right there. Which is exactly the same like the end of the day. Look at that. It's an interesting reaction here. I think the markets are looking for finding the price action above 293. Look at that. Did we have some news today? No. We have Chair Powell speaking at 10 a.m.
Order filled.
Look at this move, guys.
Order filled.
Liquidity
Order
has been
filled.
swept.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can take something from the higher levels. I'm going for my target. Top 1 futures is the $292. $293 is the resistance level. Putting the stop loss on my entry, guys. Let's go. This is a very much needed trade because it brings my account back to the entry points. Come on, guys, just a little higher. We're not getting it. We might break even.
Order filled.
There you go. There you go. %, Henry. You have to achieve 6%. Seven money bag. The deal is just about to start, so I don't know when it ends. I don't know it yet. Make sure to like the video, everyone, to participate in the giveaway. 159,000, of course, is the payout threshold, but it depends basically, of course. If you change that payout threshold based on the equity stability score, so you have to respect the consistency and equity stability score, right? But the payout threshold is at 6%. And you can request if you respect the other rules as well.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We haven't
Order
swept
filled.
anything for the upside, 300s. That's
Order
what I'm looking
filled.
for. Let's go, guys. Come on. This is looking beautiful. Stop loss on my entry once again. Second time in a row. We just need this one above 95 and then it has strength for plus 300s. Equity stability score is different than consistency. I'm going to share with you soon once I finish the trade. It's a different calculation on the equity stability score, which is why these accounts are cheaper, 292. This is not with consistency, this is equity stability score. This is an interesting spot for a minor breakout here on 295, something that I've been trading. Let's go, guys. It has potential, but we are pretty tight here with a stop loss, and I have to play this break even. Look at my size, and then look into the wick we just made earlier. I don't want to see those wicks touched again. This is interesting. We're trailing the stop loss already. We secured 430 bucks, but we are about to run through the 300s. Come on, guys. You know, I
Order
sold 2
filled.
contracts. Putting another limit sell order on the 304. This is a flat opening of this 1 minute candlestick, so I'm selling
Order
another
filled.
contract there. And I'm
Order
fully out.
filled.
that's it, guys. I had to do it, but we have recovered a whole loss. And that was important, right? That was important. We've been sitting too much around this level, and I didn't like that. Especially I've been in minus with my account. So this is pretty good in the way we have recovered that loss. There's going to be more opportunities. For the moment, it is fine. Now, what does it mean equity stability score, which is different than the consistency? For the consistency accounts, you have the classic, the old version in the instant sim funded option. But for the new version, which is something we also had the last week, we have equity stability score. It's different, guys. There's two versions of the accounts. You can buy any of that. Tap on futures, straight to funded pro accounts in the help desk. And then here's the instructions. So let me share with you the formula of calculating it. Here's the formula. I'm going to paste that to you, Henry. That's the formula right there. This is a really interesting spot here, guys, to
Order
continue
filled.
my long. That's why I am back in my
Order
position.
filled. Order filled.
I think we have a decent way to retest this trending line. That 310 is going to be interesting if we get it. Let me know what is it confusing about it. Sure, so highest day profit. Let's do it exactly with the numbers they have. I'm going to go into my account and share with you guys exactly. Highest day profit. Highest day profit, exactly. That's the first thing we need to look into. So we're going to my account and we search for the highest day profit. 1,175. This is my highest day profit. There's nothing higher than that. Then, highest day loss. Right next to it. That's the biggest loss we had on the day. Highest day loss, highest day profit. So now we have to add them both as positive numbers. And that one refers to the minus. You don't do minus because you lost. You consider it as a positive number. So you say 1,635 plus 1,175 equal with 2,810. This number needs to be divided with a total profit. So let's say that I'm expecting to have a total profit at the time of withdrawal, 9,500. That's going to be my balance. 159, of course, 500. But it's just the money that I make, 9,500. So I'm dividing to this 9,500. No, I managed to do something else. Instead of dividing it, I managed to count it. So 2,810, we're going back. 2,810 divided to 9,500. It's 0.2957. And then we have to do times 100. It's 29.57. So that's my equity stability score. 29.57. Again, guys, you have to consider calculating your both days, which is 1,635 plus 1,175, and that one equals with 2,810. 2,810 divided to the total profit. Let's say I want to make 9,500. So that's what I'm going to count it. 2,810 divided to total profit, which is 9,500, 0.29. And then we take the result, 0.295 times 100. And it gives us 29.5 equity stability score. This is the way it's working, guys. It's a little bit different. I mean, the only difference here is that your negative day is also calculated, not just your positive day.
Order filled.
I've DCA'd a little more here, but it's interesting to see the markets reacting to a possible higher low structure. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. My level is 30 because I bought the accounts on 30. The new level is 20. However, I'm going to make a video and help you with a 20%, guys. I'm going to make a video and teach you the most efficient way to keep that on 20%. What are the numbers that you have to focus, the way you calculate it with different examples. I'm going to make a video and publish that on my channel. It's going to be today or tomorrow. My 29.5 is good because I have 30%. I got the accounts on 30% during promotional time. And I still have them valid.
Order filled.
Now they're at 20%. Which means that you definitely have to control your profits and your losses, certainly, with a risk management approach that needs to be very well managed from the beginning, right? So from the beginning of starting to trade on the account. You don't just trade and then make some wild numbers and some random numbers. It's not going to work. You have to calculate everything. I know exactly, I want to make this value and I'm fine with this value. I have to stop trading here, whether we talk about the upside or the downside of the account. Let's go, guys, to the target. That would be the target for today, 1,150. Just a little more right there and we're fine with the target. Come on. Let's go. Give me that little push. Good morning. No, the video is going to be up today or tomorrow. I don't know exactly what time. Could be earlier than noon time. But the accounts are going to be available. This is not the last day of promotion, guys. That message right there from the bottom I have is the old message when I had this message in the last day, right, of the promotion. But the promotion just resumed. So I'm using right now the old message because I don't have graphic. Need to do the graphic. Need to have it done with my little graphic designer. I mean, it's just 5 minutes job, but didn't have the time to fix that. It's not the last day today. Certainly not. Stop loss is going to be on my entry, or slightly below. If this green candle we have here is going to get rejected, I'm going to be out. I'm expecting here to hit my target, or I'm simply out of this. 4 more points needed and we get the target of the day on 3 accounts. Let's go, guys. Come on. Sure. Come on. Let's pull the trigger, guys. I'm out there.
Order filled.
Beautiful. $992. That's great, guys. Let's go with the fireworks. There you go. Beautiful. Finally. That's a great one. It's a nice feeling. Great. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Come on. Having a great time here, so I'm not going to buy it at this point right now. It's risky for me. What I'm going to do is simply, I've finished with this accounts, with this 3 accounts. Continuing with the next category with the other 3. So, we've done number 1, number 2, and number 3. We're doing number 4, number 5, and number 6 right now. We save this accounts in that structure and we're searching to copy trade the next category of 3. Here we are. There you go, guys. Look at that. Imagine not selling and then the market reversing. Imagine. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, guys. Also, let me share with you our Discord. You definitely want to be part of our Discord to be able to join the giveaway. Let me... There you go. Let me pin that message so everyone can see it. Not exiting at the right moment can definitely cost you a lot. Look at this. Resistance has stepped in a little bit earlier. We didn't touch 310. We have front run. Boom. Exactly, Oliver. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Are we going to get another reaction here on the volume weighted average price? On the daily one? VWAP. Interesting point. Let's have a look into the 15-minute analysis too. There is a lot of the pressure, guys, done by the bears. Look at the highs. And there is a lot of the pressure against the green VWAP we have here. Look at that. We're about to squeeze something. This is clearly on the 1 minute a support level, which has been delivering so far. Anything below 70s was instant reaction. Even below 75 was instant reaction. I'm not sure if we're going to get it here, but if it appears here, could go for the breakout scenario. No longer that hungry to jump into the trades, especially we're close for a massive payout. So now I have to be defensive. I have to expose my cautious, defensive, conservative approach. The accounts we traded, this is the way the statistics are looking, guys. Pretty good, right? Everything's on the live stream. Pretty good. So I think I need another $1,100 and I'm good for the payout. Thank you guys. Another 1,100 and we're good for the payout here. And this is 3 accounts. It's an ugly rejection on the 1 minute. Look at that. There's so much denial here for the movement to the upside. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Not gonna rush into anything. I did wanted to share with you, things have changed, guys. The CMA FedWatch tool is showing us different percentages compared to what it was last week. Just refreshing the page right now. Look at that, guys. Different percentages right now as well. We had a possibility for July rate cuts event, or hikes, of course, for the FOMC Fed meeting. We had the possibility last week above 90s, above 90% chance that's going to be a pause. Right now it sits on 83%. Very interesting, guys. But the place where we're expecting with higher chance is going to be in September. 67%. There's going to be 25 basis points rate cut. September. And then a possibility as well for October. Meanwhile, we're expecting to end between 375 and 400 points, which is like 2 rate cuts of 25 basis points, something around that one, or even more, into 350s. It's going to be interesting, guys. But this is going to distribute a lot on the markets I also care a lot, which is the cryptos. I am heavy in Bitcoin. And I'm pretty much glad it has reacted in the way it has reacted in the last 48 hours. Very bullish. Very, very bullish, guys. Thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to stay with me. We've got the giveaway today. Actually, 2 giveaways. $100,000 Express TTT Challenge account and $25,000 SimPro Instant Funded account for a top 1 futures. I'm waiting here. I'm pretty much cautious, as you can see. Most of the time I would long these things and go break even quite quickly, but now the fact that I am close to the payout, it's not live with Ticktick Trader. It's still a sim funded account. We're having 3 accounts of 150k. This is my Ticktick Trader. By the way, for those of you that would like to grab your accounts, you have the ability to go for the maximum discount. Not live yet. That's pretty fast on 2 payouts. Pretty fast. It's pretty weird. Usually we've got people moved to live for the Ticktick Trader that are achieving more payouts. 4, 5, 6 payouts. Yeah. It's too much. I don't want to miss a breakout here that's going to be juicy. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways announced for today. Just a little bit later.
Order filled.
Testing out a short here. All the way back into 79. Not going to request too much from this. Stop loss is going to be on 300 bucks. This is the second group of 3 copy traded accounts. Putting my stop loss to my entry. There you go. Come on, guys. 465 needed. I don't like
Order
that.
filled.
I'm out. So we secure some profits there. That is about the Fed Watch tool. Increasing the chances for a rate cut on July meetings. Yeah, some people started speaking about rate hikes as well on the table. All the accounts are 55% off, Christoph. All the SimPro accounts. They are back in business with the Sim Pro accounts. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. You got 2 payouts from an account. They certainly move you to live too quickly. That's my opinion. Should have been 4, 5, 6 payouts, allowing you a little more edge. Instant funded, I think it's 40% or 45%. Let's just verify, guys. That's the maximum. So instant sim funded, they give you 25. Yeah, they give you 25% on instant sim funded. And I think you have 30 with me, or 35. Let's look into that. So it's instant sim, 150k. Continue. Code is scramble. I always give you more than what they are officially giving you. 558. 558 on the 150k. I think that's not correct, guys. I think that has not been updated. Let me just verify. I'm gonna reach out basically if this is not updated in my code. It shows higher than the price here. This is crazy. Right? It shows $519 with 25%. And then with my code right now shows bigger. That's crazy. I'm going to reach out basically to the manager and they're going to fix that. It's good you have asked me. Thank you for asking me. Yeah, I'm going to verify that right now. Let me just adjust that and you're going to get a bigger discount than on the website. This is an interesting spot
Order
here.
filled. Order filled.
DCing into this one a little. It has potential for that 1,100 right there. Once it goes into 88, I'm gonna be break even. Putting the stop loss right below the candlestick. If we get a denial here, I have to be out. That's a good one, guys. Putting it on my entry. Let's go, guys. Got my fireworks ready. I'm out.
Order filled.
327, guys. We've secured that. Not the best, but the market starts being choppy here and lacks the momentum I was requesting for. Not really trusting it. Could be pushing to my target, but I'm going to secure this 327. It's important at this level not to go extra risks, especially that I'm close with a payout. So back to the price issue here. Let's just quickly verify this thing one more time. So I can tell their support that they have an issue with the pricings. They have to update this thing. Yeah, they got an issue with the pricing here. Now there is an interesting
Order
opportunity
filled.
here if it holds. Adding a little more to this.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. There is a problem in the system with the discount code. Just told them about it and they're fixing it. Specifically for the instant sim funded for the old one. It's not adjusting the price correctly. We have 17 minutes to go for the US opening. Four extra points, we're hitting the target, but it looks like this is having a nightmare. If we get below this wick, I'm gonna be out. I don't need to expose. Come on. 3 points needed there. 3 extra points. No, I'm out
Order
there.
filled.
I'm out there. Like a break-even situation. No, we don't have the strength needed. Look at that. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways announced for today. We have already traded our 3 accounts because we've got the 7 accounts trading. You know about them. The 7 Sim Pro accounts with intraday drawdown. So today, instead of continuing trading all the 7 copy trading like I was doing it for all the days we've traded, today we have separated in 3 different groups to increase my chances of payout, because I only need 2 or 1 day for the payouts. So I want to increase my chances. And I've talked about the method at the beginning of the video, at the beginning of the live stream. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Oh, look at that, guys. What's happening out there? Thank you, appreciate it. What's happening here, guys, with this squeezing to the upside? We're gonna get any wild pump and dump? What's happening here?
Order filled.
Let me see if I can catch a short here. Maybe not. You know, I'm just gonna put it right there, which is exactly break even with my account. You know, I'm gonna be out there. Accepted 120 loss. Something happened here with the economical news again, or any other political stuff. Yeah. Look at this one. We just touched the trending line and totally rejected. So, I've been told what's the issue with the instant sim accounts. The displayed price is the issue, guys. Right? It's displaying 519. I'm just refreshing this page, but they're working on right now to correct this. So they're displaying 519. This has not been updated yet. They're working on 519 is displayed for the sim funded, but it should not be 519 displayed, because with 25% they are offering 9 million paid, that's the code for the 25%, is much higher than the 519. You will see if I test it out. You could also test it out. If you say 9M paid, we go to the checkout page, it's not 519. Look at that. Instant SIM 150k, continue. And we put in the code, it's not 519, right? It's 598. With their code. With my code is, we're going to remove their code, which is 598. $558. $558 with that one. Of course, this is the end of the day drawdown, instant SIM funded. The SIM Pro is a lot cheaper. The SIM Pro comes out at supposed to be $292, guys. $292 right there, $357 discount. It's 55% discount with my code. Thank you, appreciate it. Hey Chad, hey Badger, how's it going? We're having a great time. Look at that, Master Trader. The pullback is not appearing at this time. This kind of situations are very risky, right? So the predictability level, if it's low, you would be surprised. This could actually go for the breakout here on the trending line. You would be surprised. Stick with me, guys. We're doing the giveaway today. Make sure everyone to like the video. So, hey, what's up, buddy? Let me ask you a question, guys. Do you consider all-time high on NQ this week? Let me ask you a question in the pool. What do you guys think about? Are we going all-time high for Nasdaq this week? Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. Let me know, what do you guys think about in the chat. Do you expect? The equity score is great because I've not been crossing the limits. The limits I had on the account. Let me share with you with my other account that I traded. Performance stats, look at that one, guys. This is what we call trading performance, right? Here you can see the equity stability score as well based on the numbers. This is all live trading, guys. This is all live only on the stream. So my highest day loss is the only loss that I have, 1,635, and the highest profitable day is 1,175. Pretty satisfying, honestly. This is an interesting spot here, guys, for the breakout scenario. Look at that.
Order filled.
Especially that we have 7 minutes to go. You know, we've got a form of resistance here. which is why I'm not gonna be too aggressive about it. I'm gonna cut it early. But I'll make a video, guys, today on the equity stability score. And I'm gonna help you to crack the system, to hack the system, and have an advantage compared. I don't like this one. That trending line is confirming for the moment. That trending line is delivering for the moment. I don't like it. Obviously, I have to... I'm out
Order
there, guys.
filled.
I don't like it. Accepting a loss here. This is not a good... It was not a good entry. Hey, Adrian Lorenzo. Thank you, buddy. And look at that. It's going back up. This is making no sense, guys. This is silly. This is a silly price action we have. This is back and forth here at a critical point with the trending line. This is silly. I don't want to be emotional and jump back into a long here, but I would definitely do it, guys. I would definitely do it. Right, so if I am jumping back, I'm putting a stop loss
Order
right
filled.
below this whole thing. And that's
Order
the
filled.
most I could actually give back with the momentum possibility of going with a breakout. You know, this is the most I could give. 240 for this chance. 220s, come on. Right before the breakout here. %62% of the people consider we're going to all-time high, guys. This week. That's great to hear. It's going back and forth. It's going back and forth here. No.
Order filled.
No. Look at this. Weird price action. Two giveaways scheduled today. Make sure to like the video to participate and be part of my Discord. Let's go, guys. On the other accounts, I am at 1,000 today. On this one, we had a $1,200 loss. That's how I started today. So I'm no longer pushing all the 7 copy trading. I've separated them in 3 different groups. One is with 3, the other one is with 3, and the last one is at a single account. And I've explained at the beginning of the video why doing this, I've actually increased my chance with 200% on achieving a payout. Especially that I'm very, very close with all the 3 groups. Three minutes to go.
Order filled.
Got into a long here, but a single contract. If we cross 305, I'm happy to add more. Starts having some energy. Adding this
Order
one a little
filled.
earlier. Look at this 5-minute candlesticks with rejections appearing at the top. Last minute to go. The thing is, the most I can lose here is going to be 1,100 plus the one I've already lost. That's actually the most I can lose. $384. Ten seconds to go, guys. I'm gonna ring the bell. Here we are. And we got lucky. Look at that one. We got lucky so far. We got lucky so far, guys. But I don't think we survived this. What do you think about? Look at this. That's one single tick. One single tick. Crazy, right? We've grabbed some liquidity, but we might catch some more to the downside, which is... But look at that, guys. It's recovering. All the way to the take profit, right? Longing it on my other account as well.
Order filled.
Having a single long entry here. Single contract. And pulling the trigger all the way to my target. 341. Getting back to the copy traded accounts. Beautiful, guys. Moving the stop loss. Look at that one, guys. This is very interesting, guys. Putting the stop loss to my entry. I'm out
Order
here
filled.
with this one, 441. But what about this account?
Order filled.
It just pulled back. I mean, I have a chance of re-entering long, but give me a break right now. This is pretty wild here. I still think this is going to the upside. That's my opinion. Don't take it as a financial advice.
Order filled. Order filled.
We have an entry on both the 3 copy traded and this one as well. I mean, this is the one with 3 copy traded. This is looking pretty good so far. Putting the stop loss to my entry here. And then obviously for the target, we're going for 1,560s, which is 344. Let me see the other account. Look at this volatility on the 5-minute here. Pretty aggressive. Stop loss to my entry over this one too. And then the target on the upside. Thank you guys for joining. We have 2 giveaways coming out soon. Make sure to like the video and stay with us on the live stream. Appreciate it. Be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday every day, sharing giveaway accounts and trading live, and then just trading live. Just live, right? 384 wouldn't be bad at all for me. Got some decent entries on both, especially the other copy traded accounts. And we're only trading a single contract, guys. Look at that. My entry is 265 here. We're 80 points on the take profit. Let's go. Come on. Time for that pressure needed here. There's a good possibility here for the breakout. Morning, Gunner. How's it going? Welcome, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Looking for breaking through that 310 temporary resistance. Come on. Which is also confirming a breakout of a downtrend we've been going through for the last couple of hours. Well, if I do 2000 today, I'm gonna break the equity stability score, and then I have to do more for the whole system to play out. It's not good. I have to do $1,000. Let's go, guys. 310. Come on. Bring it up. Look at it, my take profit 343. Over here as well, 338. This is an easier target. Yeah, that's good, right? 1,000 on a single contract. Usually I'm 5, 7, 8 contracts, but that is pre-market. And that is usually when I'm not very, very close to the payout. I have a different style. I'm trading full copy trading, right? In this case scenario, we're not full copy trading. We have separated the 7 accounts in 3 different groups. This is very close to be stopped out on the entry. Or I could DCA here. That's exactly what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to DCA here. And I'm risking with this account a little more. I'm just searching to make around that value. This is traded alone. Let's go, guys. Come on. Beautiful. Come on. Looks beautiful. Stop loss is going to be right below this Crendel. We're trailing $400 already here. And we're pushing for the target, guys. This is trading by the book. Trading by the book. Thank you, appreciate it. Come on. Bring it up. Looks like there is a form of breakout, but it has to be confirmed right now in the current candlestick, right? There are still 4 minutes to go. And it's almost a flat opening on this candle. Come on. There's not much needed out here. I'm not going to get out earlier. I'm going to increase my trailing, guys. Let's go. Just a little more. Just a little more. You know, I sold the contract. And I'm increasing the target a little. I secured a contract there at the top of the wick.
Order filled.
Target has been touched, guys. Beautiful. 1,141 on the account, which is traded alone. And then let's see what's happening here. My entry is on 265. The take profit is up there, 1,560. I don't want to see a rejection here. But that was a beautiful one. Look at this, guys. It's heavily bullish, right? Heavily bullish. There's no reason for me to get out of this. There's no reason. Break even at 935. I mean trailing at 935. I'm gonna trail all the way to this candle, to the current candle. I'm gonna secure 1,035 here. You know, with a single contract making $1,000 is pretty good. Let's go, guys. Come on. 343 on my target for the 1,560.
Order filled.
That's fine. Could obviously go higher, but still I needed to secure something, especially all the 7 accounts are doing great, guys, today. Beautiful. Let's go for the fireworks. That was a great opening. Beautiful one. So let's just take it one by one. First, I've traded the first 3 accounts. We made 992. We only need about $1,100 here, and we're going for the payout. Then the next 3 accounts, I traded 575 profit. We've been down here, and I've recovered. Even on the first 3, I've been down 1,100 today when I started the stream. Right with the first trades of the stream, we've been down but recovered. So this is looking great as well. Probably this is needing an extra day, but it's not a problem. And then the last account, the number 7, is basically also requesting around another extra day of trading for the payout. Beautiful, guys. This is looking very nice. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. No, I'm definitely enjoying this whole thing. I'm not gonna force it right now on this account. It's 575. It's copy traded, but I'm not forcing it. I feel like I've been trading today for about 1 hour and 30 minutes positively without doing mistakes. And it's time to know where to say stop. It's time to define the limit between exaggeration and the current state. Like, that's what I'm thinking about right now. Beautiful, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Beautiful. What were we doing right now? All the 7. Looking for taking all the 7 to the payout. So, what's coming next? Well, as usually, a wheel of the numbers. Wheel of the numbers. Let's go, guys. We have the wheel of the numbers right there. Everyone listen to the rules. You have to listen to the rules. So, let's get ready, guys. We've got 2 giveaways. The first giveaway You have to be here on the live stream. I'm telling you the rules and how to participate. First thing you gotta do, like the video. This is how you participate. Like the video, guys. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday every single day. From 8 a.m. EST time. Doing giveaways daily and trading just live. Join my Discord as well. So these are the 3 things you have to do to be able to join the giveaway. Then, as a rules, only a single guess by person. Do not guess multiple numbers and do not dump your numbers 20 times. You know, if you do it twice or 3 times or 4 times, making sure that we get the message, because sometimes it's not delivering it. So that's fine. The first giveaway is for the first account in the title. The first account in the title is the $100,000 Express Challenge account for Ticktick Trader. This is the first giveaway. Alright guys, wait. Do not write numbers yet. Wait. Wait for my message, guys. Come on, let's go. Good luck, everyone. Start. Good luck, guys. Make sure to like the video. I saw your number. Rosales, I saw your number. You have a number 5. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna shuffle the wheel a few times before we spin the wheel. I'm gonna shuffle it a few times. Only a single guess by person. Do not guess multiple times. Make sure to like the video. Be subscribed to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. EST time. Yeah, we got you on 0. We got you on 0, buddy. That's fine. Beautiful. So that's the end right there. That's the end right there. Now, time to shuffle the wheel a few times. Between 0 and 5, time to shuffle this. There you go. This is going to be the final form. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go. We have a 032. I think that's going to be number 3 or number 2, obviously. Probably number 3. Number 3 is the winner. Great job. Great job to those of you that got number 3. What's happening in the markets in the meantime? It is tanking, guys. Look at that. Told you, time to accept the winning and walk away. Now, let's bring in the list. Badger is helping us. We've got 33 winners. Thank you, Badger, for helping us. 33 winners. You're going to compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds, guys. This is the first giveaway. We have one more coming out. Do not leave. 33 winners for the first giveaway. Good luck, everyone. Extremely fast. Look at that. Who's going to take the lead here? Who's going to take advantage of the $100,000? Movement. How do you go fast? You have to exercise in your room. You have to do push-ups. And the more push-ups you do, the faster your duck is going to go. It's going to swim around faster. So just do push-ups and it's going to be faster. Come on, 15 seconds. Let's go. You have to scream very hard. Very, very hard, guys. Come on. Who's going to speed up? Look at that. And we have the winner. It's the guard right there. Number 19. Safe. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. You are the winner of the first giveaway today for the Ticktick Trader $100,000 Express Challenge account. Make sure to reach out to me on Discord. We are running the fireworks. Direct message me on Discord, and we are continuing for the second giveaway today. Boom. That's going to be a $25,000 Simpro funded account for a Tap on Futures. Shuffling the characters a few times, the numbers. Wait, do not write anything. Wait. Right, so for the ones that are new, make sure to like the video. That's how you participate. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. We can see that there's about 30-40 people that left, which is increasing your chances. Subscribe, like the video, and join my Discord. Think about your number, guys. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Start. We have a 333. Look at that. Don't change your number, but we have a 333 right there. Do not change your number. We can see that if you're doing. Do not do multiple guesses. I did shuffle. After the last spin, I did shuffle a few times. So this is going to be the final version. Just a single guess, guys. No multiple numbers. Alright, everyone. That's the end right there. This is the second giveaway. This is the second giveaway, fellas. The ones that wrote after the end message are not part of the game. So let's go on. Good luck. Good luck, chat. Are we gonna get that 333? No. We're not gonna get the 333. That's gonna be number 2 or 0, guys. Number 2 or 0 right there. The red 0 or just the number 2. But I think we're going into the... That's gonna be on the blue one. Number 2 for the winner. Congratulations. This is not really a popular number. With number 3, we had 33 players. Let's see what's happening with number 2. We have 44 winners. Look at that. Wow. "44 winners, and you guys are going to compete for 3 minutes. You guys are going to compete for 3 minutes. Congratulations, fellas. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Who's taking the lead? Who's getting volume? Are you guys doing push-ups? Are you guys cheering? What's happening there? You gotta do something. 2 minutes to go. This is not gonna be easy. We always have the winner coming from the end. So relax. If now you're sitting at the end, you have more chances than the one dominating and leading. Those are the ones that should be worried. Look at the B. Look at the president. President is not gonna make it today, I think. President is tired. He's not gonna make it. What's happening in the meantime in the markets, fellas? We are sitting slight around 300s from what I'm able to see. Top 1 Futures is the prop firm we're running this giveaway right now. They just got back their SimPro accounts, $292 for the 150K. Look at that one. Look at that one. Bringing up volume. Snowy. Number 16. We had it as a winner some days ago. Who's taking the leads? Things are gonna separate right now. Told you about it, president is too tired about it. 10 seconds. Who's gonna speed up, fellas? Look at that. Look at that. And we got the king. We got a king, number 20 right there. There you go. That's the winner of a $25,000 instant funding SimPro account for Top 1 Futures. Congratulations, buddy. What a nice race. Congratulations, guys. That was pretty hot. Pretty intense, right? Thank you guys once again. Thank you, Badger. Once again, fellas, appreciate it. We had a beautiful day. Back-to-back trading, everything in profit. Did not trade it at all, Ticktick Trader, for today. But we're continuing tomorrow. We've been putting a lot of the effort into top 1 futures, especially we're close to the payouts with 7 accounts. So we're hunting that one. Have a lovely day, guys. Careful with the markets. There's going to be big volatility throughout all these periods. Deal with risk management, the #1 priority. Love you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Have an amazing day.